Hello students and welcome to my channel MQ Tutorial. Today in this class we will be learning about how microbes are used for the production of energy, what all things are required for that energy production and which microorganism is helping for that production. But before starting, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will not miss any latest update. Microbes in energy production. Here we are basically talking about the production of an biogas, which is also called as gobar gas. Now how this biogas is produced and what all things are required for the production of the biogas and how the gas is produced, how it is beneficial to human well-being and which microorganism is contributing for doing so. Let us see. So biogas is basically a mixture of gases. There are 2-3 gases, and this gases, the nature of the gas is they are highly inflammable, and because of this potential, it is used in kitchens, it is used for the household chores, and this is a renewable source of energy. Yes, so it is not, if you are using it for the first time, that will be a last time and you will not obtain it again. No, you can use it, it is recyclable. How much you are giving it, it is definitely going to give it back. And the source of obtaining this biogas is nothing but an waste. So for getting biogas or for obtaining biogas or for the production of the biogas, you require to give just a waste. Now that waste will be a household waste, it will be waste, it can be animal waste, it can be a plant waste, it can be an household waste, domestic waste, anything. The more predominantly used is the cow dung. Why cow dung? We will see later. And because of this, the biogas is also called as gobar gas. Let us have a look on how the gas is spread. So this is how the biogas plant looks like. Now for the biogas plant, the equipments which we for the biogas plants, the equipments which are required are: there is a mixing tank, there is an inlet chamber, there is a digester, gas holder, gas valve, there is an outlet chamber, there is an overflow tank. So these are all the equipments. Now how the working is done on this biogas plant. Now the first thing, these two tanks, they are situated above the ground, and there is a large tank called as digester, which is usually a brick made or a concrete one, and it is dig up inside the ground. That tank will be around 10 to 15 or 12 foot somewhere around, and it will always be dug inside the ground. The reason why it is made up of a brick or concrete, just because the ground bacteria or the ground pathogen or any damn thing of the soil will not be mixed with the things which are available inside the digester. Now the first is the mixing tank. Now the waste, the domestic waste, whatever we are giving, or the cattle waste or the cow dung, so whatever waste we are giving, all the waste is poured in the mixing tank and along with water. So in the mixing tank there will be a waste along with the water, and that particular thing which is forming is called as a slurry. Now once the slurry is done, that slurry is given to the digester inside the ground, yes, via a inlet chamber, right? So this is a inlet chamber, and the slurry will be given to the large tank inside the ground called as a digester. So there will be a slurry in the digester now, right? Now when the slurry is partially filled, yes, when the slurry is partially filled in the digester, then we will stop giving the waste from the mixing tank. So now the slurry is partially filled in the digester, it is all completed, the 50% portion have been completed, and the slurry is there in the digester. Now this slurry is kept as it is for the period of 2 months. Now this 2 months is actually a microbial fermentation period, and for this 2 months there is nothing is going to happen, like human activity is not going to happen anywhere. Now what is going to happen in this 2 months, the microbial fermentation will start happening here, and there will be the growth of anaerobic bacteria, and this anaerobic bacteria will start consuming the organic matter available to inside this slurry. Yes, and the digestion of this organic matter will be done by this anaerobic bacteria. So this digestion of the organic matter results in formation of methane, carbon dioxide and different gases. The predominantly highest portion of the gas which we are getting is the methane. Now due to the pressure of the methane gas, yes, now all this gas will be taken by the gas holder, right? Now due to since the pressure of the methane gas or the different gases is increasing in the digester, and out of the pressure there is no way for the slurry to move out of the digester. The slurry makes its way via outlet chamber, and all the slurry is now collected in the overflow tank. When there is slurry accumulated inside the overflow tank, that is an indication that the biogas plant is now ready to use. So this methane is collected in this gas valve, and this gas valve is having an on and off switch, and via this switch we can operate it, and this is the gas stove which we are having in our kitchen. So rather than LPG, one can always opt for the biogas plant. I hope things are clear. If you have any doubts apart from this, please put down in the comment section, and if you like my video and teaching, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.